Hello, so for step 2, we are going to add the name of our place. Let me just make my screen a little bigger here. All right, the text tool is on the left and it's going to look like the letter T. So go ahead and select the text tool, click on your canvas. It's going to drop some lorem ipsum, some filler text, all good. You'll notice in your layers that text is coming up above the background. Perfect. And you should be able to double click and type the name of your location. I will be sending a postcard from space. Presently, I have a dialog box that popped up here giving me the chance to change my font, to change the size of my font, if it's left justified, center, or right. There's a few different ways that I can change my font. I can move my font by coming to the top and clicking the Move tool, shortcut V. Can also grab it from the corner and stretch it out so it fills my screen. Now, it's important for this clipping mask project that you choose a font that's nice and thick, so a slab font. That way, the pictures in the clipping masks can come through. So a nice thick font. All right, so sometimes when you're messing with your text, you must hit done or the check mark before you're fully finished. Now, something that you may also want to do is warp your text. So I'm going to go up to text warp, and there's different ways that we can warp our text. So we can arc our text and then pick how much we arc our text. We could bulge. You can have it kind of like a wave. So play around with picking a nice thick font and also play around with the warp. And once you have your text just how you like it, go ahead and press OK and continue to the next step.